Good morning, students. Our topic is integers, and today we will learn how to add and subtract integers. Before we move to a learning outcome, we need to understand what does the word integer mean. Integer means positive and negative numbers. We use the word integers when we have both and positive and negative numbers. Positive are the numbers which we use in our daily life. For example, 3, 4, or whatever the number can be. For positive numbers, we do not write the plus sign before. So if there is any number which does not have any sign before, it means it is a positive number. Whereas negative numbers are the numbers which have a negative sign before them. For example, -9, -7, or you can move on. Positive numbers are greater than 0 and their value increases as we move forward, whereas negative numbers are less than 0 and their value decreases as we move above. To understand the relation of integers with 0 and their dependency of value on the movement forward, we will just take the example of a number line. Let's view this number line. 0 is in the center, positive numbers are written on the right side, whereas negative numbers are written on the left side. As we move forward, the value of the positive number increases, but as we move backward towards the negative integer, as we move more, the value decreases. -4 is less than -1, whereas 1 is more or less than 4. I hope you have understood. More a negative number is, lesser its value is, whereas more a positive number is, higher its value is. And all the negative numbers are less than 0, whereas positive numbers are more than 0. When we have negative and positive numbers together, we use the word integers. There are few rules which have to be taken for adding and subtracting integers. First, we will view these rules which will help you in solving the equations of integers. The first rule is when signs are same in an equation, we add them and put same sign with the answer. Let's take few examples to understand it. For example, if we have -9, -8. In this equation, both the signs are negative. It means both of them are same. So if we have same signs, we will add 9 plus 8 is 17 and negative sign has been used, so we will put the same sign with the answer. I hope it's clear. Let's take another example. In this equation, there are two numbers and two signs have been used which are same. So it means as per the rule, we will add them and put the same sign with the answer. 19 plus 12 makes 31 and as positive sign has been used over here, so we will write plus with the answer. This can also be written just 31. It's not important to write positive sign before the positive number. The second rule states when signs are different in an equation, we subtract and put sign of larger number with the answer. Let's take few example. -6 plus 2. If you look at this equation, there are two numbers and two different signs have been used, negative and positive. It means we will subtract them. 6 minus 2 makes 4. Now have a look at this equation. Number 6 is larger. No doubt -6 is far lesser in value as compared to +2. But here we are not considering the value. We will just have a look at the number which is larger. 6 is larger, so the sign with 6 is minus. Therefore, minus will come with the answer. Our answer would be -4. Let's solve another example to understand it. Let's say it's 12 minus 14. Now there is no sign with 12. It's understood that it is positive 12. The sign before 12 is plus. In this equation again we have two different signs. It means we will subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. Sign with the larger number 14 is minus, so we will use minus with the answer. Our answer is negative 2. I hope it's clear now. And here comes the third rule. At times you have to apply two of these rules to solve your equation. When two signs come together in an equation, we can't work them out until and unless we convert them into one sign. For this purpose, we multiply them. When we have two negative signs, they are converted into positive. When we have two positive signs, they are again converted into positive. In other words, you can say when we multiply two same signs, they convert into a positive sign. Whereas when we multiply two different signs, they convert into a negative sign. Okay, and at times there might be a bracket in between these two signs. It also means that two of them are coming together. Let's solve few equations to understand. Now in this equation you can see that two signs are coming together over here. Minus minus are coming together. First of all we will multiply them. This would be converted into positive, whereas rest of the equation will move down as it is. Minus 8, and after the positive sign it was 9. Okay, now we have minus 8 plus 9. So we will revert back to our rules. When signs are different, we subtract. We will get 1. And as with the bigger number, the sign is positive. So it's plus 1. We can write it as 1 as well. Let's take another example. In this example, you can see that the bracket has been used over here. The bracket means that the two signs are coming together. Minus plus. When we have two different signs, we multiply them and they convert into minus. So it would be minus 3, and the rest of the equation will move down as it is minus 6. Now we have to check the rule. Number 1, when signs are same, we add. So we will add it and use the same sign with the answer, which is minus. Here we go. I hope you have understood. Kindly revise these rules thoroughly. Put them in front of you while doing the work. Best of luck. Take care.